Nigeria is the most populated black nation in the world, which makes the nation a big market for the transportation companies, both locally and internationally. So today I want to share an experience of traveling by bus from Lagos to Anambra State. And I will be traveling with God is Good Motors, one of the best transport company in Nigeria. Okay, here is Ore. Ore is in Benin State, a popular place well known by road travelers. For me, a place that signifies that the journey is half made, and also a place for all-round refreshments. Oh my god, why am I even still talking with you guys? Where is my suya?
How are you, sir? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. I thought 200. 500. 200. Hey, see ya, customer. Apa? That's 200 with that. Yeah. Hey, see ya. Apa? See ya di. Put 500, okay, so 1,000. Hello, see ya. No, I don't want that. No one. Give me my share. 500. Small. Add 300. Go on well, oh. Have you changed my mind? Make it complete on 1,000. Hey, see ya. Hello. Adam. Hey, say. Tu vas considérer yo. Yes, sir.
This is the popular Niger Bridge, around 6 km long, that connects Asaba to Onitsha, which is my final destination for today. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video very informative or entertaining, please don't forget to smash the like button below and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next one. Gordy.